All right, so I'm back. I wanted to talk about Black Friday purchases, okay? So comment down below what you got for Black Friday, but let's go through what I got for Black Friday and let's talk about it down below in the comments. All right, y'all? Amazon. So I got my boyfriend's dog a hoodie, okay? I got him a hoodie because it's cold outside. We in Michigan. And he likes to walk with me. Okay, I got a couple of nail polishes. Just a couple, like a topper, okay, and a nail polish. This is my OPI. Let's see, I got some sunglasses from Amazon as well. How we looking? Okay. Right. I had to re-up on my hot sauce. I like this hot sauce. It's Marie Sharp. Yep, this Marie Sharp. It's a Belizean hot sauce. Okay, I got Bloom. Okay, I like to use this as my super greens. This is green and superfoods. Okay, I add this to my smoothies. These are watch cases that I got from Amazon. So for my Apple Watch, I'm going to change the cases out. And I actually meant to add straps, but that'll be on my next go-round. A hinge polish holder. That's what this is. A hinge polish holder. Okay, so when I'm painting my nails, just to help me out here, okay? Also, I got just some more buffers for nails. Nail buffers. I got some, these are nail art brushes. Or they double-sided. I was wondering if I was holding this up right, but they are double-sided. So different kind of brushes and different applicator tips so that you can do different types of things with your nails, with designs and art. Also got some gloves, black gloves, but I like to use these when I'm handling meat. And then I got some highlighters, just so I want to do a little bit more, be a little bit more organized too. I've been doing this in 2024, but not consistently, but I do like to be a little bit more organized, and I'm gonna start color coding stuff. Okay, so I got a little system now that I'm gonna continue. So when it comes to planning and organization, so I got more highlighters. That is it for Amazon. So next up, my So de Janeiro package. So I got 2 deodorants. Actually, this is the case I already had, and I just put the refill canister in here. I guess it kind of pops out. Hold on. Yeah, it kind of pops out like this. More fruity for sure. Definitely more fruity sweet. And then this one is a little bit more tropical and warm. And it came with a sample hand cream. I picked the Bum Bum hand cream. So this is my So de Janeiro purchase. Last but not least. Look at her. The Good Molecules mini fridge. Look at her. She's so cute. I got a spot. Okay, so I was using a wine cooler as a mini fridge, but this was like, so I had this wine cooler from so long ago, so I just ended up using it for that, and then they gave out on me, so that's how I ended up with this. And I think this is only like $15 with like one of the kits that I bought. Hold on. You gotta let me concentrate so I don't, hold on, I gotta concentrate so I don't break nothing. That's something I would do. And then you open it up. Oh, this is like the shelf. Okay, hold on, let's see. This is the shelf. Okay, so that you can like divide your fridge into 2, okay? Okay, hold on, because I'm doing this upside down and backwards. Hold on. I bought some pimple patches. This looks like a sample pack. Okay. Discoloration correcting serum. Yiba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. This is some stuff I did see that I thought about putting in my cart, but this is cool that I get to use it and try it. Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Okay, it's a little sample of that. Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. I'm excited, actually. Can you see on my face? I'm excited because what is all of this? All right, now, back to what I was saying. Now, wait a minute. Hold on. She wants to go next. Hold on. Let's do her next then. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I actually got this in a kit. It was hyaluronic acid and the serum and the hyaluronic acid boosting serum. This is the pineapple exfoliating powder. Okay, so I need a good exfoliator for my face. I'm excited to try this. This is my first time trying this. I would normally use the Dermalogica, I think it's called Daily Microfoliant Exfoliator. Yeah, that one is expensive though. So I'm excited to try this one because I'm looking for just more cost-friendly alternatives. So let's try it out. And then here is the plug to the fridge. So this is the inside. Y'all see? And then what I was saying about the shelf. Hold on. I'm trying to do this upside down here for y'all. Hold on. Open her back up. Okay. Come on. Cooperate, girlfriend. All right. This is the hyaluronic acid serum. So, okay. So that's in there. I got some face masks. Actually, this is perfect because my whole little setup needed an overhaul. I'm working on my beauty room, so this is perfect. This is going to help me organize my beauty room, so stay tuned for that. So I'm excited to incorporate her into my beauty room. Okay, so we can... That's one of my winter projects, is to get my beauty room real organized and straightened out, because it's just a hot mess in here, and I can't find nothing, and it's just too much stuff, and I can't function. So stay tuned for that. Oh, whoa. We gotta look at the back of this thing. Hold on. Look at the back. Okay, first of all, you see the ventilation, clearly. Okay, you are able to plug her in. Hold on, let me see. Wait, what did I say? Hot and cold? Oh, hot and cold. Wow. It's gotta be some directions in here, because first of all, this says hot and cold on the back. I see a hot and cold switch. Off, hot and cold. There is the switch to plug it in. And then there's another... You know what? Hold on. It's a lot going on that we didn't talk about. Hold on. So, okay, wait. Because there's two outlets in the back, right? Where you can plug in two power adapters. Okay? And it says 12 volt DC and 120 volt AC. Okay? In case you know what any of that means. I'm assuming one is more voltage than the other. Okay? Don't quote me on that, because that's not my genre. Okay. But what you do get, you get a car charger. You can plug this into the lighter outlet into a vehicle, and then this particular plug looks like it goes, the one in the middle is more of a squarish shape. Okay, so that would be for the car. You could take it in a car. Like, what? I'm trying to... Okay, I mean, shoot, you might be able to fit a couple cans in here. I don't know. Is that what the point is? I don't know. But okay, I'm going to have to look into this, because clearly people is doing something with these refrigerators I don't know about. They give you a car charger, a car adapter. I didn't know none of this when I opened it up. Clearly, or when I ordered it. Then you actually get the wall adapter. And then that one goes on the right. And that is more of a oval shape. So that one fits into there. So, wow, you get different, you can plug it in different ways, and then you can also turn it on cold or hot. What? I gotta look, wait a minute, I'm just buying stuff. I gotta look into this. This was $15 with the purchase of, like, my hyaluronic acid kit. And I just added a couple other things I want to try anyways, but this was $15 added with my kit. Then it has a handle. Did we talk about the handle? Cause, what? I'm surprised. I almost slept on this. I'm just looking around to make sure I'm not missing nothing else. It's got feet. It's got feet. Anything else we talk about? It's cute. Yeah. What? We didn't talk about that. Okay. So anyway, wow. We like stuff like, okay, let me find out this thing is multi-purpose. Okay. So I really tried to get. I can't even really say what I was gonna say. But I did try to get things that I could actually use. Beauty items I needed to re-up on. You know, things that are actually useful, like health-wise. Like, okay, not the hot sauce is not necessary, but I did need to re-up on the hot sauce, okay? That wasn't really a health decision, but... you know, accessories, you know, to just kind of go with our different outfits. Again, more accessories just because, you know, I feel like buy the accessories and then match with what you already got. And then I don't have to buy clothes. Come on now, girl math. Y'all know how it go, girl? Girl math, right? Right, okay. And then, you know, my little powder, you know, be healthy. So I tried to do stuff that, you know, I felt like was going to be useful. Not just like buying stuff. Like, I swear I almost bought makeup, but I got makeup. That's the problem I had with buying makeup. And yeah, I could use Parreep or like maybe a couple of things. But really, do I really need makeup? I have a lot of makeup. So that's part of going through my beauty room, is like going through my beauty room and seeing what is it I have even. What can I get rid of? What am I keeping? And then organize that. Because I don't even have, I know I got makeup, but what I have, I don't know. What I do know is I don't need no more makeup. Until I organize what I have, there's no way I should be buying makeup. So that's where I came from with that. Okay. Because Sephora had a beautiful sale and I was just like, you know what? responsibility says don't do it. Okay, comment down below. Let me know what y'all got for Black Friday. This was part 1. I actually still have like just a sprinkle of more things coming. Just, love it. So stay tuned for part 2. Let me know down below what you guys are starting to roll in, what packages are starting to roll in. Let me know. All right, y'all.